Welcome, Marie in Zone 6. Having gardened for decades, this is hands down one of my favorite perennial plants, Autumn Joy Sedum. It is deer resistant, disease resistant, heat tolerant, as well as drought tolerant once established. It looks great in a container, as well as planted in a garden bed. It grows to be about 2 feet tall by 2 feet wide with a blue-green foliage. Just gorgeous. It starts off in the spring in a dome shape. Then, as it grows, the stems elongate and the inflorescences are a beautiful green. Eventually, they will turn a gorgeous pink color. In my Zone 6 area, it happens around the end of August. And this plant will look beautiful, at least in my garden, into September as well as October. It's low maintenance and beautiful. It may prefer full sun, but it does awesome in my garden in part shade. This is Autumn Joy Sedum.